Adrian Steel's exclusive lock and latch drawer units feature key locking drawers and are so versatile they are included in many Adrian Steel van interior trade packages. The drawers are made of engineered composite material for durability and feature heavy-duty drawer glides. These glides make it much easier to open and close the drawers and reduce the amount of rattle noise when in transit. These drawers are housed in a steel cabinet that features pre-punched holes for ease of installation with Adrian Steel shelving. The exclusive lock and latch system is a top choice among contractors for its ease of use and for providing secure storage and transport of small parts and tools. The Adrian Steel drawer system has 4 different settings. You can keep the drawer unlatched, unlocked, where the drawer is freely open. You can latch the door where the drawers will not open and it's still unlocked, so you can just move it up or down, and then you can lock it so it doesn't come open, and you can key lock it. So now you can't move the latch or the doors will stay closed. The key back in, unlock it, and unlatch it, reverse freely open again.